Okay, today's day 19, and we're going to clean out the freezer. Now, I technically have 3 freezers. Well, I technically have 3 freezers and 3 fridges, but I'm only cleaning out one because the other 2 don't need it. And the other 2 freezers, no. So we're going to do this freezer. And this freezer is actually the scary freezer because I don't even know what's all in it. To be honest with you, I do not know what's in it. So let's just dive into it and get it done, get it over with. I have a feeling there's a lot of things I'm going to be tossing out from in here, but we're going to find out together because I honestly don't know. Okay, let's do this. So this is just the one drawer. And by the way, these, delicious. These are delicious. And these are delicious, okay? Just in case anyone wants to know. They're delicious. So we have those. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Okay, we've got frozen peas, which these should be down in the big freezer, but they're not going to be. I've got an empty bag. Okay, I have a feeling we may come across a couple of those. Jalapenos, corn wraps. They look good, they're not freezer burnt. Teeny amount of French fries. Ice packs. I use these ones for my lunch. These ones for when I get boo-boos. A bag. Chicken carcass. I think this is a chicken carcass too. So we're gonna set those to the side. That's an empty bag, so that's just gonna go in garbage. I've got, what are these? They're wraps, but what are they? Gluten-free. Okay, they're gluten-free wraps. These have been in here for I don't know how long. I'm probably not gonna eat them, so I'm just gonna toss them out. They've been in there forever. Okay, now we have breadcrumbs, or bread bits to make breadcrumbs. Pie dough, that's been in there for I don't know how long. We're just gonna toss that. Oh, another lunch one. I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, these have been my go-to lunches, and if anyone from work is wondering, these are what they are. More bread, more butts. Chicken pad thai, anybody? Yummy. I'm not gonna eat these. These are just, one's coconut and one's mango. Lunch meat. That can actually just go in the fridge. More bread butts. I save all these to make breadcrumbs. Oh, I got an open bag of, that's gonna be freezer burnt, so that's just gonna go in the compost. That is blueberries. Oh boy, yeah, that was freezer burnt. Oh, that was freezer burnt. Not even a little bit, that was freezer burnt. Hey, there they are. I was looking for those. Peppers, frozen peppers. It's like a scavenger hunt going in your freezer, isn't it? Just wiping the door down because something was sticky. Okay. All right, let's keep going. I've got bananas. They look like they've seen better days, so they're gonna go in the compost. Because if it has seen a better day, then it's gonna go in the compost. Oh, another chicken. And a popsicle of some kind. There is corn. I knew I had corn. I knew I did. And this is a pork kebab. And more bread pieces for breadcrumbs. Okay, so give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so there's the bottom of the drawer. That's, you know, it's not pretty, but, okay. Those are all the bread pieces that we're going to use and make into breadcrumbs. Chicken bones, those are for making broth with. Veggies, ice cream, that is life. These are life. Vegetables. Okay, so all of this stuff is going to go back in the freezer after we've cleaned that. Okay, so be right back. Okay, so we've got, oh, hold on, just gonna bring you a little closer. Okay, so we have the bottom all wiped out because sadly these don't really come out. Like this comes out, but I can't get it. I've tried, I've almost broken it, so I don't bother now. So we're gonna put this stuff back. Got our frozen peas, they're gonna go there. Broccoli. The corn, which I was looking for numerous different times. Jalapenos. This weird little bag of French fries that just kind of appears. Chicken bones are gonna go on this side right there. The peppers are gonna go there. The ready-made meals are just gonna go right there because I have a couple more on the other one. I'm actually gonna wash the freezer packs. The kebab can go down there as well. These wraps then go on top of the chicken, and the ice cream can just go right here for the moment because I have a feeling I'm going to move it. And then the bread is going to stay out. Now, like I said, I knew I had more of these ready-made meals. I've got, oh, hold on, I need to pull you up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so we've got broccoli bowls. These are veggie, these are cauliflower wings. They're quite good. Got hamburger buns. I got a loaf of bread, which actually needs that out. These buns, I'm actually just gonna turn into breadcrumbs. And then I've got a receipt. I have no idea. And then, oh, I grabbed the wrong, okay, so I have 2 open bags of frozen chopped spinach. We're going to stick that down the bottom with the vegetables. Then I have a whole bunch of these. These are my daughter's. So we're going to stick all of these over on this side. There's just not as many now because I made her go through it. Got a stick of butter. We got some ice, which I'm actually going to get rid of because I see hunkies in there. Those are her frozen dumplings. Oh, these wraps are so good. If anyone's ever looking, they're keto wraps too, I do believe. Paleo. I don't know if paleo is keto or not. Ooh. Ooh. Actually, those are, oh yeah, those are freeze burnt. We're just gonna toss those. Think of icing, that's little garbage. And flatbreads. Okay. Let's get the cloth. Just gonna wipe this down. That's the problem with wiping things down that are cold and frozen. Is sometimes they just spread around until you get it. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want you. And there we go. All good and clean now. Alright. Pralines and butter pecan ice cream. Yes. And then that can all just stay there. These can come up top here. Those can go down here. Same with these wraps. I'm gonna put them there. Okay, so those wraps can go there. Now I gotta put their cauliflower. It's just there for the moment. And then her dumplings. And then the ice cream trays will just go right back there. Okay. Okay, so the freezer's now done. I just gotta wipe the outside, which will just take a second. But I guess that wasn't as bad as what I thought it was going to be. My other freezers are worse. That's why they're not being part of this, because they're a whole nother journey. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. You got to see what's in my freezer. And get ready for tomorrow's video for day 20. I don't know what that's going to be yet. Okay, so I hope everyone enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.